Hello, I'm Sterling the Penguin, and welcome to another video. Well, I haven't made very many videos, but today I'm going to be I'm showing you how to make a working TARDIS in Minecraft. So, one thing that you'll need is a command block. Everything else you can obtain in survival if you really tried, but it's much easier just to do in creative. So, the first thing that you need to do oh, by the way, this TARDIS is going to have the ability to transport you to 4 different locations, and it's entirely programmable. So first thing you need to do is build the TARDIS. You do it by you basically just build it like this. Da, 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 da. Thump, thump, thump. Then you get a door. And decoration, I believe, is where it is. Nope, it's in building blocks. I always get that mixed up. Oh wait, this goes here, I think. Doop-a-doo. And redstone torch, and shebang. Not done yet. Now we have to just put some signs on it. Oops. The signs just make it look nice. And one thing that's good to do is write police. I spell police horribly wrong. Okay, I can usually spell police. Pulse. You know, close enough. You know what, since I obviously can't spell police today, even though I normally can, I'm just going to call it a box. I can usually spell police. That's brain fart. And then on the inside, I like to just hint what's happening and write TARDIS on it. Oops. So now we have the outside of the TARDIS, but the outside really isn't going to do much for you if you want to make it work. You have to put a command block there, and then that's going to teleport you to a location. So to make it bigger on the inside, what you have to do is, well, it's easier if I have a potion of night vision, just cause it's easier. And now we go underground. Yeah. If you're wondering how I'm, oh whoa, that was quick. If you're wondering how I was digging so fast, it's because I'm on a laptop and I can click with both my trackpad and my mouse. So let's just go up a little bit and ta-da. So now we dig out a little. One sec. I took some screenshots of a TARDIS I already made so that I know what dimensions I need. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in one direction. In one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe. And now going the other way, it's 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm just gonna do the TARDIS part first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are just the dimensions I happen to build in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we just clear that out. Doop-a-doo. This is a big problem. Okay, I might have to work with it though. And let's just finish digging out like this. And this could be a problem. Because you have to dig down a little bit for the TARDIS. You know, we'll just work with it. I'm too lazy to dig another hole. So yeah, if you have an X-ray mod, that might be something good to look just to do to see where you are when you're doing the TARDIS. One thing that I'd just like to say though, I got the idea and kind of the idea of how it works, like the TARDIS how it works, from Unlimited Mine 42's TARDIS map thing. I downloaded it just because I thought it was cool, and then I decided I kind of wanted to put one on a server that I run privately for me and my friends. So I thought, okay, well, why don't I try figuring out how it works? And I got the basic idea of it. Mine's a little different, but basically the same idea. And that's how I got this idea. So he's probably someone you might want to check out to see his design and stuff. I think he has naturally spawning bad wolf bay, I think he called it. I've actually haven't seen the episode of Doctor Who that that's from, so I don't know about it, but still, it's a pretty neat find. Anyways, let's see how high I need to make it. Pictures of the redstone. Oh, here it is. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And later you can we'd fill that in. But not right now because we need to go back up there. Anyways, just start mining it out like that. Yeah, the digging part of the TARDIS is probably one of the most time-consuming parts. Next part might be wiring. There actually is a lot to it. I mean, some people might just be able to world edit this part. But yeah, later we're gonna have to replace the walls with redstone lamps. One thing though, the idea of how to make the TARDIS bigger on the inside than it is on the outside can be used for other types of things in a map, such as if you just, I don't know, if you want to make a city and then in the buildings you want to have more in it than the map allows by how big the buildings are on the outside, you can just do the trick to make the TARDIS bigger on the inside than it is on the outside to make the buildings bigger. TARDIS building. Wait, I don't know. There's actually a map that I need to work on that might use this trick. Anyways, ta-da. Let's drink a little more. night vision potion. Let's see how much time I have in the video. Ooh, ooh. We're almost done with part 1, it looks like. Just because, I can only upload 15-minute long videos right now. A little bit of a disadvantage, but okay, it works. Oh, I was going back. Oop, went back too far. Now, just to get this all figured out, where am I going to put the door? Door is going to be here, and then about 3 blocks out from it. So, 1, 2, 3. That's where I put the console. So, just mapping that out. I actually make the console out of gold blocks, just because it looks nice. Might be good just to put some torches in here, so I got some nice warmer lighting. And put a beacon. Not yet. First, we will need some glass. This is going to be the TARDIS matrix. There's some nice warmer lighting in there. Thank you, beacon. Just make this look a little nice and add some stuff we'll need. Doo-ba-doo. Ooh, I needed that sign that I just threw away. Oops. And we can add it in. Wrong button. Anyways, let's just... Well, this is gonna be space. Should have made it this way. Actually, I really should just put it over there. It'll make things so much easier if I have it on the other side. Digging into a wall, more like. I am actually going to have to mine out here a little bit later, but that's later. Yeah. Maybe not the best attitude to have towards this, but whatever. Up. Yeah, I was using my iPod to time 14 minutes into recording, because 15-minute long videos. Anyways, I think that's going to finish off part 1. Part 2, we're gonna work on this a little more. So, see you guys later.